Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pass point and grow a garden of Roblox Evo update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the Grow a Garden game on Roblox, and then I'm going to show you how we can get the pass point. And you can go to the pass menu right here guys. Go to the pass, and as you can see, that will be able to get pass point. And to get the pass point, you need to increase your XP. And what is the function of this pass point? The function is for buying something from the store. You can go to the store, and as you can see that we need pass point to buy something from this shop. For example, you need 100 pass points to get or to buy this prime crate. And if you want to get the pass point guys, you can complete the quest. Okay, this is my quest for today. You need to complete the quest and then you will get XP. And when you increase your XP, it automatically increase your pass level right here. But there is another way to get the pass point guys. So you just need to collect or harvest your crops in your garden. Wait, I'm going to show you my level right now. As you can see, I have 3,060 hundreds pass level, XP. And then I'm going to try to collect my fruits or my crops here. I'm going to collect this strawberry and also blueberry, for example, or maple resin. Okay, or let's try to collect beanstalk. And I'm going to go back to my level, and as you can see that my XP level has increased. So basically you just need to harvest your crops to get the XP level. To increase your XP level. And when you already level up your XP, you will be able to claim the pass points. Okay, like this. That's so simple. And okay guys, that's all the way to get pass point and grow a garden Evo update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.